Hujambo, welcome to Kiswahili with Abdul Karim. In this lesson, you will learn 10 simple daily Swahili sentences. Let's get started. I am happy. I am happy. Nina furaha. Nina furaha. I am sad. I am sad. Nina huzuni. Nina huzuni. I am tired. I am tired. Nimechoka. Nimechoka. I am angry. I am angry. Nina hasira. Nina hasira. I am surprised. I am surprised. Nimeshangaa. Nimeshangaa. I am scared. I am scared. Ninaogopa. Ninaogopa. I am excited. I am excited. Nina msisimko. Nina msisimko. I am bored. I am bored. Nimeboeka. 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 I feel sick. I feel sick. Najisikia mgonjwa. Najisikia mgonjwa. I love you. I love you. Nakupenda. Nakupenda. Thank you so much for watching this short lesson. If you'd like to learn more Swahili, then you can get these books, Conversational Swahili Grammar. This is Conversational Swahili Grammar A1, B1. Conversational Swahili Grammar A1, B1. This book will guide you to be able to speak Swahili confidently. Conversational Swahili Grammar A1, B1. It's well structured and it is very easy to use. And if you get this, you will start speaking Swahili confidently. You can get this book on Amazon, Conversation Swahili Grammar A1, B1. Also, it's available in Nairobi, Dar es Salaam, Kampala, Mombasa. So if you want to get this, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. I will leave the contact here. Yes, thank you so much. Kwaheri.